Real-time OSINT report for Canada and Ontario. Unit 61398. Description. This hyperrealistic 3D image illustrates a real-time OSINT report for Canada and Ontario, with a focus on Unit 61398. Macro details. Intelligence Command Center, a high-tech setup with large, high-resolution screens displaying real-time data, maps, and cyber threat intelligence reports. Central screen features a detailed map of Canada and Ontario with highlighted data points related to Unit 61398 activities. Additional screens show network diagrams, intercepted communications, and analytical charts related to cyber-espionage. Micro details. Analysts deeply engaged in monitoring and analyzing incoming data, highlighting the urgency and importance of the operations. Lighting dim with a blue-green color scheme, creating an intense and focused atmosphere. Data display includes detailed graphical elements such as network diagrams, alert symbols, and live updates. Production metadata. Resolution 1792 x 1024. File size suitable for high-fidelity viewing and analysis. Tags: hashtag OSINT report, hashtag Canada, hashtag Ontario, Unit 61398, hashtag cyber-espionage. This image vividly captures the critical nature of real-time intelligence operations, emphasizing the detailed analysis of Unit 61398 activities related to Canada and Ontario. Introduction. Unit 61398, also known as AP1, is a well-documented cyber-espionage unit of the People's Liberation Army, PLA. This unit has been linked to numerous cyber attacks targeting a wide range of industries globally, with significant implications for national security and economic interests. This report provides an overview of the activities and threats posed by Unit 61398, with a focus on its impact on Canada and Ontario. Key threats and activities. Cyber-Espionage Operations. Unit 61398 has been involved in extensive cyber-espionage activities, primarily aimed at stealing sensitive data from various sectors, including technology, aerospace, and telecommunications. The unit is known for its sophisticated and persistent attacks, which often involve prolonged access to the victim's networks to exfiltrate large volumes of data. Mandiant, InfoSec Institute. Targeted attacks on critical infrastructure. The unit has targeted critical infrastructure, including military networks, to gather intelligence and potentially disrupt operations. These attacks pose a significant risk to national security, as they can compromise sensitive information and hinder critical services. InfoSec Institute. Advanced Persistent Threat. APU techniques. Unit 61398 employs advanced persistent threat, APT techniques, which involve a well-defined methodology for gaining and maintaining access to target networks. This includes using custom malware, spear phishing, and exploiting vulnerabilities in software and network configurations. Mandiant. Strategic implications and recommendations. Enhanced cybersecurity measures. Organizations in Canada and Ontario should implement robust cybersecurity measures to defend against the sophisticated tactics employed by Unit 61398. This includes regular vulnerability assessments, penetration testing, and continuous monitoring of network activities to detect and respond to threats in real time. Mandiant, InfoSec Institute. Collaboration and information sharing. Strengthening collaboration between governmental agencies, private sector entities, and international allies is crucial for an effective defense against cyber threats. Sharing intelligence and best practices can help build a more resilient defense infrastructure and improve response capabilities. InfoSec Institute. Training and awareness programs. Investing in cybersecurity training and awareness programs for employees can significantly reduce the risk of successful phishing attacks and other social engineering tactics commonly used by Unit 61398. Ensuring that staff are knowledgeable about the latest threats and best practices for cybersecurity is essential. Mandiant. Conclusion. Unit 61398 represents a significant cyber threat to Canada and Ontario, with its sophisticated espionage operations targeting a broad range of sectors. By implementing advanced cybersecurity measures, fostering collaboration, and enhancing training programs, organizations can better protect themselves against the persistent and evolving threats posed by this PLA unit. For more detailed information on the activities and methodologies of Unit 61398, you can refer to the comprehensive reports provided by Mandiant and InfoSec Institute. Mandiant Report on APT1. InfoSec Institute on Unit 61398.